Hello and welcome to this MyFloor training video. My name is Sasha, and in this video I want to show you how to make a game in BuzzIt. Start by logging in like I did. Go to My Games. To add a new game, click the plus sign in this corner. Now you see all the different game templates that you can make your content in. In our case, we need to make a BuzzIt game, so I click the BuzzIt icon. Under each game, you see a short description on how the game works. In BuzzIt, you have to be quick in order to answer. When you press your buzzer, you will see 3 answer possibilities. If you answer the question correctly, you'll get a point. But if your answer is wrong, your opponents will get the points. I want to show you 3 different versions of a question. I prepared a game about the presidents. To add my first question, I click the plus sign. A question can contain an image, a sound, or a text. The answers can be an image or a text. And down below you see a preview of how your question is going to look. My first question is a text. So I will write, who said this? Yes, we can. I can style my text by making it larger like that and choosing another font. I want to make it even bigger like that. And my answers is going to be images. So I upload an image pressing the image button, choosing my first image. I will go with bush. Here you can crop your image. Right now the image is cropped, so it uses the maximum size. I can also crop it manually, dragging the sides up and down. In my case, I want to make sure that my image fits the object or in the box of the question. So therefore, I will use fixed aspect ratio. Now I'm sure my image will fit 100% into the answer box. When I'm satisfied, I click the send button. So now you see my question and one of the answers. I do the same with answer number 2. Click the image button. Click here. And now I'm going with Barack Obama. I do the same thing. Click fixed aspect ratio and press send. Third question, click the image. And let me see, like that. Fixed aspect ratio, send. So now I got 3 answers and 1 question. Before I click the submit button, I need to switch on the correct answer. I do that by clicking this icon. So now you see the green one is the correct one. When I'm satisfied, I click the submit button. So now I got my first question. To add the second question, I once again click the plus sign. This time I'm going to use a sound as my question. I will start by writing, who said this? Making my text larger, choosing another font type, and clicking the sound button in order to upload a sound. I choose this sound.
Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall.
Click open, send. So now I got the question, who said this? And when you see the question, the sound will automatically begin playing. If you want to hear the sound again, you just need to press the icon in order to hear the sound once more. So this time my answers is going to be text. So I write John F. Kennedy, Barack Obama, or Ronald Reagan. I want to make my text larger, like that. And I also want to change the font, like that. Once again, I need to switch on the right answer, like that. And when I'm satisfied, I click the submit button. If you made a mistake and you need to edit your answer, you simply just click it and it will open and you can edit it. When you're done, click submit. Again, I will click the plus sign and add my third question. This time my question is an image. I click the image button and I want to use this image. Switch on fixed aspect ratio. Press send. And again, add my answers. Nelson Mandela, Barack Obama, or Martin Luther King. Again, I want to make my text bigger. And I want to change the font. Like that. I switch on the correct answer and click submit. So this is my 3 version of how a question could look like in BuzzIt. To make this a really good game, you need to add more questions than 3, right? The more, the merrier. When you're satisfied with your game and you want to make it public, you need to first change the title, the description, and the icon. Right now your game is saved and you can enter the game, making changes, adding new questions, but it's only public to you. So if you want to make it public on your school or worldwide for other MyFloor users, you need to make the title, description, and icon settings first. You do that by clicking this pencil. I made another video showing you how to make those changes and showing you how to make your game public. You'll find that in our video list. If you make your game public right now, the settings will be set as standard. You can change the standard setting by clicking this icon. Here you see the skin, the read time, and the answer time. The skin is the one you see here. It looks like a quiz show, but you could change it up here. Right now we only have the default skin. We add skins all the time, so you may have more skins to choose from than I have right now. You can edit the read time. This indicates how much time you need in order to read the question, and also it's a countdown for when you can click your buzzer. The answer time indicates how long you have to answer after you clicked your buzzer. So I will give the answer time 30 seconds. When I'm satisfied, I click submit. I hope you can use this video on how to make a BuzzIt game.